SAMSON pigging technology. Efficient pipeline systems add real value to industrial production plants. What matters is the right system solution. PFEIFFER pigging technology, part of the SAMSON Group. Pigging is a process for cleaning pipelines using a shape-retaining yet flexible fitting body, the pig. Such a system can handle a range of different products without any risk of contamination. The result? Fewer pipelines, lower costs, efficient use of resources and space. The pigging system is controlled via the pig launcher and exchange station. Once the vessel is opened, the product is dosed in until the specified quantity is reached. Now the pig sets off. Driven by a compressed air or by a liquid as propellant, it travels through the pipe system, pushing the product out and cleaning the line at the same time. Once it reaches the stop valve, the system is vented. The valve is switched, and pressure is built up from the end station to send the pig back. It remains permanently within the pipe system and does not need to be removed during its service life. The system is simple but demanding. Exacting standards for every component ensure that the pig travels at a perfectly uniform speed through every section of the pipeline, delivering an optimal cleaning result. PFEIFFER supplies the complete pigging system as a turnkey solution, including installation. Every SAMSON PFEIFFER component is engineered to respond with absolute precision and to manage inline cleaning with absolute reliability. If ever required, the change station allows for a safe pig change. The higher initial investment compared to conventional plants pays off quickly. Cleaning effort is reduced, product losses are minimized, and contamination is avoided. This is how PFEIFFER pigging technology creates clear competitive advantages through higher productivity, reliable product quality, and greener processes. SAMSON, and everything flows.